So you want to be rich and you're not alone. Subscribe and find out how to become so rich that money isn't an object anymore. In this video, I'll give away the top 4 tools in crypto that I use that give me an edge in trading. The first program is Dex Tools. You might have heard from it before because it's where you can track all the crypto in real time. It's especially handy when you're trading the degenerate part of crypto, making sure you see how the price is evolving and which transactions are happening. Which is not what I use it for. Now, this might come as a surprise, but I usually check who bought and sold the token. I filter on the total dollars spent and then go by those wallets one by one. This is how I found Blockbank, for instance, because I saw an address having a lot of Blockbank. I've never heard of the project before, had a look and became interested. Invested in it and kept an eye on their development. Using the transactions in Dex Tools is a great way to find new and hidden gems, because you might run into someone who knows more than you do, which you can then start to follow with my next tip, which is Arkham Intelligence. And this platform allows you to search for tokens, addresses, entities and so on to keep an eye on their activities. It also allows you to set up a dashboard where you can select several units to be showcased. If you found an address through Dex Tools that you find interesting, you can copy and paste this address into Arkham Intelligence and see all the activities in regards to the wallet. You can even set up alerts that will tell you when there is movement in that wallet. You can also search for people, for instance Alex Becker, and see what he holds and what he's up to. Don't be fooled though, and always do your own research before blindly following an influencer like that, but it might give you some insights on how others are trading and the moves that they are making. Now, if you're too lazy to do this because you don't have 30 minutes a day to do this as a hobby, then go to the link for my Telegram channel down below. The work will be done for you. But be free to come up with leads of your own, which will then be added as well. Let's go to the next tip, but before we do, I wanted to remind you all that I'm not a registered financial advisor. My videos are meant to be educational and entertaining only. Always make sure to do your own research by using these and other tools before investing into projects. Only invest money you cannot afford to miss. Be aware of the fact that you can gain a lot in crypto, but most likely will lose it all. Now, in the event that you do become filthy rich, it's important that you safeguard your crypto. And the best way to do this is by using hardware wallets. Ledger, Tangent and Keystone are some of the most well-known hardware wallets. You can find a link to these wallets in the description down below. And for Tangent, you get 10% off as well. And it's actually my main wallet because it's so very convenient. All you need is your phone and a card to be able to utilize the hardware wallet. I've made a dedicated video on it, which I'll link down below as well. Be sure to check it out. Alright, let's go to tip number 3, which is twitterscore.io. It's a website which automatically generates scores for Twitter accounts based on the popularity of this account in crypto space. If you found a project that you think is interesting and want to know if their following is legit, you can go to this free website and check out how they perform. One of my most favorite projects at the moment is Myria. So let's have a look at that. They get a normal score from the website and it also shows you who their followed influencers, projects and venture capitals are. These statistics will give you insights on followers and Twitter score. Now for Myria, you see an increase in followers in a fairly quick way. And after that, you see the number being more flat. This could mean that followers were added artificially, but it could also mean that there was a lot of hype around the project, which made people follow them on Twitter. Right now, they have around 224,000 followers and have been noticed by the likes of Alex Becker. I hold Myria myself and I'm an early investor into that project, so I'm very pleased to see this growth. And the next tool is Lunar Crush. Now it was free, but it's not anymore, but let me tell you what it is. It's a platform that will give insights in the online popularity of projects. Now if you go to the top categories and select crypto, then you will see all kinds of data. And this data provides you with percentages in regards to mentions. I always filter on oddrank, which is a combined social plus market metric that looks at market volume, social volume, relative comparison versus Bitcoin and social engagement. A rank of 1 is the strongest, and this data can give you insights on how projects will perform. If something is talked about a lot, it's generating hype. And if something is not talked about a lot, it might mean that it's yet to come, but it also might mean that you've missed the boat. Either way, it's a great tool to see the rise and fall of different projects happening on these socials, giving you a possible edge in trading. Okay, so be sure to join my Telegram link down below to get all the latest crypto news. Subscribe to this channel, check out the link down below for my special merchandise that's only limited until Christmas, and I'll see you guys next time.